Hey everybody, it's Joe Baker, 401k guy, and today's tips and tricks is going to be how to change your investments in your account. And so let's get started right away. So once you log on, you're on the dashboard, you want to click on plans, and then from there you want to click on future elections, and then there change future elections. And then what we're going to see here is the screen to do that, and there's three different types of ways that you can change them. I'm going to focus on the rebalancing one here because that's the easiest one, and it actually can do two things for you. You can change your current investments as well as change your future investments. And so if we go here, we could see in this account in particular, 100% of the allocation is going to the iShares S&P Conservative Allocation Fund. So say we wanted to change that to 50% of your money going there. And then we wanted to do another 50% into, say, the small cap 600 fund. So what we did here is change the investment allocations. We want to make sure that it adds up to 100%. And if we go down, and this is very important here, on this question here, you've made changes how money in your portfolio is already invested, and it says, would you like to apply these changes to your future contributions? And in most circumstances you do, so I would just click yes here, and that way it's going to change your existing account balances and any new money coming in. And so you hit continue, and then this section is for automatic rebalancing. And again, I'm a big proponent of this. I do like to have that automatically done. And so I would click yes. And then I think quarterly is definitely a frequency that's sufficient to do this. And basically what this does is every quarter it just takes a look at your account and to make sure that in this instance, both of those funds are 50% of your account value. If they're off, then they're going to buy and sell as needed to get it back to those percentages. And so just click here, continue. And then so we can see what we did here. We went from 100% going into the conservative allocation fund, and we split it up now 50-50. And so again, the automatic rebalancing is going to happen every 3 months, and it's going to adjust your portfolio by selling or buying these two funds as needed to get to a 50% allocation. And all you have to do there is then click submit changes. And that's pretty simple. Again, if you want to take a look at those other two options, how to change your investments, say you just want to change your existing account balances but leave your future contributions the same, then just shoot me an email and I can walk you through that real quick. But that's it. Any other questions, please shoot me an email, give me a call, and we'll talk to you next time. Take care.